In this video, we will show you how to make a rich, nourishing whipped body butter that's perfect for moisturizing dry skin and leaves a beautifully soft finish. To get started, place the bowl over a pan of gently simmering water. Add 80 grams shea butter, 50 grams mango butter, 20 grams kokum butter. Allow the butters to melt slowly, stirring occasionally as they soften and combine together. Once all of the butters have completely melted, remove the bowl from the heat and add 40 grams sweet almond oil. Next, it's time to cool the mixture so it can begin to thicken. You're looking for the mixture to become opaque and slightly solid around the edges while remaining soft in the center. Once you've reached the right consistency, it's time to whip. Using an electric whisk, start on a low speed and gradually increase it. Whip the mixture for around 3 to 5 minutes. This process incorporates air into the body butter, transforming it into a lighter, fluffier texture that feels luxurious on the skin. When the body butter looks soft and airy, add 6 grams arrowroot powder, 2 grams vitamin E, and your chosen 2 grams fragrance oil or essential oil. Now give everything one final whip for another 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, spoon or pipe the whipped body butter into clean, dry jars. If needed, gently tap the jars on your work surface to remove any large air pockets, and that's it. Once fully set, your whipped body butter is ready to use and enjoy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes.